Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Sceptre monitor ghosting. So here's a guide for your overdrive and display settings adjustment. Fix 1. Calibrate the overdrive, that's your OD setting. Press the OSD button on the back or bottom of your Sceptre monitor to open the main menu. Navigate to the gaming or advanced settings tab. Locate the overdrive setting and change it from off to medium or fast. Avoid using the extreme or max option as overvolting causes severe reverse ghosting, which is for bright glowing trails. Fix to match Windows and monitor refresh rates. Right click your desktop and open the Windows Display Settings menu. Scroll down and click Advanced Display, then check your current refresh rate selection. Change the drop down menu from the default 60 Hz to your monitor's maximum native capability, example 144 Hz, 165 Hz, or 240 Hz. Mismatch prevention. Running a high spec monitor at a lower system refresh rate directly triggers heavy motion trailing. Fix 3. Turn off in-game motion blur. Open the graphics or video settings menu inside the specific game you are playing. Locate motion blur, film grain, and chromatic aberration switches. Toggle off all these settings to off to stop artificial software blur from stacking on top of raw pixel trailing. Fix for enable MPRT or backlight strobing. Open your Sceptre monitor's on-screen menu using the physical control buttons. Turn on your MPRT, that's your moving picture response time, or motion blur reduction if your model features it. Note the trade-off. This function flashes the display's backlight to clear up motion trails, but it will slightly lower your total screen brightness. Fix 5. Adjust your shadow boost and gamma levels. Enter the picture adjust settings inside your Sceptre monitor's onboard dashboard. Increase the gamma option to mode 2 or pull up the shadow booster or dark stabilizer setting. Why this works means it helps in lightening up dark pixels, shortens their transition time, significantly reducing the black smearing common on VA screens. Fix 6. Toggle G-Sync or FreeSync variable refresh rate. Open your graphics card management hub like NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon software. Locate the G-Sync setup or FreeSync toggle and turn the feature off temporarily to isolate issues. Check for variable voltage support. If your Sceptre panel lacks adaptive overdrive, heavy frame rate drops while VRR is active will create intense motion ghosting. Fix 7. Upgrade to a certified DisplayPort cable. Unplug any low tier HDMI lines currently running out from your graphics card. Connect a high bandwidth DisplayPort cable directly between your PC and the monitor. Inspect the cable line to ensure it is not kinked, tangled, or running near heavy power bricks that cause signal interference. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.